Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. We are opening up the April Glossybox. So I'm sure you guys know what Glossybox is already, but just in case, Glossybox is a beauty subscription. You get about $80 worth of products at least, and it costs $21 per month. I do have links and codes I will leave down below. Actually, the link should apply the codes automatically, but there's one that can get your first box for $16, and then another that will get your first box for $1 if you subscribe for a full year at a time, so an annual plan. But if you want to just do month to month, then it is $5 off, so $16. And you get a mixture of full size and deluxe size items. I think it's just been great. I can't wait to see what's in this box. So before we take a peek and look what's inside, I just want to take a moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them every single day here at 5 p.m. Eastern time. So if you love them too, I hope you consider sticking around and subscribing before you go. This Glossybox is kindly sent to me free for review, but not sponsored. And I think that's everything. Let's get this opened. I'm so excited. I'm in such a good mood. Unboxing just really makes me happy. Always packaged super cute. I'm gonna try not to spill things today. Let's get this ribbon off. I wonder if they switched to like less paper, because usually there's a little pamphlet thing right on top that says like it has a beautiful woman on it, and then a little magazine that talks about everything that's inside. Okay, if you guys know me, you know scrunchies make me so excited. I wear them all the time. And these, I love like nice fabric ones. I have some from this company from Annette. I'm pretty sure this is the company. Kittysboxes scrunchies. These are like satin and pink, and I love them. There's 3. Already love this box. I had a feeling. I love scrunchies. I know I get excited about little things, but it's true. I do. Yes. Ooh, I like this company. I've never tried this form of their, or this lotion by them. This Works Stress Check Sleep Lotion. Comforting body lotion with lavender and chamomile to support a good night's sleep. And this is full size. I have another one that's asleep. It's like, what is that one called? It's like Sleep Aid or something, or Dream? I don't know. But it's a different sleep lotion. And this one's specifically to help with stress. For some reason, I could not sleep yesterday and I was having stressful dreams, so I'm really excited to get this. I'm going to try it out tonight. Hopefully I sleep better. I'm feeling okay now, but I was a little sluggish this morning. It says, use in the evening to restore and nourish your skin while you sleep. It's 98% natural. It's vegan, free of phthalates, parabens, and sulfates, and it's made with lavender, chamomile, and patchouli essential oils. Oh, I love that mix. To create a calming atmosphere and nourishing shea butter and camelina sativa oils to preserve skin vitality. Awesome. I'm going to put this right by my bed after this because I like my sleep, you know. Next, we have a serum by Solwasu Advanced First Care Activating Serum. An essential anti-aging booster facial serum. Got advanced to the 5th generation, featuring upgraded WAM activator. It brings out youthful potential of your skin for a healthy and natural glow. Cool. Let's see. And this is what it looks like. I think this is so cute. I'm excited to try this out. Trying to get better. Like, I was breaking out for a little bit. I think it was mostly hormonal, you know, but I'm trying to get better with my skincare regimen. I was kind of keeping it basic, even though I have all these nice serums, you know. I was just doing like the bare minimum, but I'm going to start incorporating more things because I have a birthday coming up in less than a month, you know. I gotta, even though I think aging is wonderful, I think every year gets better than the last. You know, just want to prepare. Neolastin, Revitalize and Firm Eye Cream. See, this is another thing. I need to start using eye cream. I put lotion there, or my like moisturizer under my eyes, but I want to start using it. So this brand, I love. Look at it. There's a little butterfly. I've used their face cream before, and I really liked it. I actually got it in a Glossybox, I believe, in the past. But look how pretty that little butterfly is. It's like a sacred geometry butterfly. Yes. But I really liked their face cream, so I'm excited to try their eye cream. Yeah. And then we have, oh, looks like a full-size makeup item by Laritzi. Cruelty-free and vegan gel liner in truffle. Let's see, is truffle black? Oh, nice. I get excited when I get shades other than black. Truffle actually looks like truffle. Ooh, mine came out a little bit. Let's get this down. It's a brown. So I will definitely use that. Mine came out a little bit, but I can just push it back in and sharpen it. I've had this with a lot of pencils before. Kind of just mold them. Sometimes I like when they're like that, but sharpenable actually instead of retractable. Is this? Yeah, sharpener. Because if I don't use one for a while, I want to sharpen it, just kind of like clean it up, you know? But awesome, I'm glad that's not black. I know a lot of people feel that way too with beauty boxes. So last but not least, ooh, I'm excited about this. I haven't used one of these in a while and I feel like they do work. This is by Lash Food, Conditioning Collagen Lash Primer. So I wonder if this helps grow your lashes, but it at least makes them healthier. I've never thought about collagen for your lashes. I've heard of Lash Food though before. I feel like this has good reviews. This is one of those things you have to keep on using to keep on getting the benefits, I believe, but when you do, like, it's worth it. Like, my favorite mascara that I'm normally using by Thrive Cosmetics has some, like, lash enhancing stuff in it, and I feel like I have noticed a difference, and I use it all the time, so I'm excited to try this, and I think you can use these on your brows too, which I really want to do. I want bigger brows, more full brows. So that was everything, you guys. I thought this was really good. So we got a full-size eyeliner in Truffle by Larizzi, a full-size This Works lotion, which I think these are kind of expensive. I really like these, in the Lash Food. This might even be full-size too, because I've gotten these before and they're smaller, but maybe not, I don't know. But these are usually expensive. And by New Lastin, the Revitalized Eye Cream, we have this. I don't know, is this, I don't know if this is Korean or Japanese skincare. I think it's Japanese, but it looks really awesome. And scrunchies, you know, I love this. So all of this for $116 or $21, I would say it's worth it. But let me know your thoughts down below. Again, I will leave my affiliate links down below if you want to use them to save some money. Definitely do so. But that's it for today, guys. Quick video, it looks like, but I thought it was good. Let me know your thoughts down below. I'm in such a good mood right now. Let me know how you guys are doing. I hope you're in a good mood too, that you're having a great day. And again, if you haven't already subscribed, I hope you consider doing so before you go. Just a reminder to everyone, check that you're subscribed. I pick a random subscriber every month and send a bag full of goodies. Maybe some of this will be in there. I don't know. There'll definitely be a lot of stuff. I pack it full, and any subscriber, no matter where you live, is qualified to enter. But yeah, that's it. Stay safe, stay healthy. I love you guys so much. Bye.